Hey, so this is what I want to achieve, a pricing table with hoverable item so the user can read additional info without having to clutter this column with too many words. If I were to add this additional info directly into the column. But the problem is we cannot directly do this with the default pricing table module in Divi, nor with any of their beautiful layout options in the Divi layouts. But that's what I will be showing you today. At the end of this video, you will be able to create this kind of a pricing table without needing any extra plugins. Let's start. Hey, so now I will be showing you how to build the pricing table. So for that, create a page and then go to build from scratch, add a row, and in the module we will be adding a code module, and here we will be writing the HTML code. So I already have the code copied in my clipboard, so I'll just paste the code here. I will be explaining a little bit here. So we are wrapping the code with a div called class. So if you are not familiar with basic CSS, you can just skip this part, but it's better you learn a little bit so that you can modify the code according to your needs. So we will be wrapping this pricing table here with a div called columns and another div called price. So this will be the inside div, and then we will be using listicles here. So we have another class header for that blue header, basic and pro, and then we have the following these list. The main part here which I want to show you is this one, the one with the tooltip. So here we add a class to this list called tooltip, and this is the icon, that small eye icon that you see. This is that icon. This is from Font Awesome. And then we will be adding a span here with the class tooltip text. This span is what the tooltip is. So alright, so that's our HTML, and this is what it looks like right now, but we will be styling it with CSS. So for that, come here, go to the settings using this gear icon, then go to advanced and the page settings, custom CSS, and then we will be pasting our custom CSS here. By the way, you can get the HTML and the custom CSS for this entire thing using the link in the description. I will paste the custom CSS here, and as you saw, as soon as I pasted the custom CSS, the table now looks good. So here I could go and do the explaining, but it's better you look at this code and understand. And if you know a basic CSS, then you probably understand what's this about. So but one thing I wanted to add, ignore this unknown property text decoration thickness. So I use this because I wanted to have this underline so that it makes it clear that this is some kind of a hoverable item. So it distinguishes it from normal text. By the way, you can change this wavy to something like dotted. So if I change it to dotted, you can see it's now dotted. You can also make it dashed like a normal underline. You can change the thickness of it to 4 pixels, but I like a wavy with 2 pixels, so I'm just gonna keep it like this. But yeah, you can change a lot of properties here to style your pricing table however you like. You can change the color of this from blue to green or whatever you like. You can also add a button right here below by using button HTML and button CSS. I won't be showing that, but it's very easy to add. But in case you encounter any problems, you can join the Discord server I have, that will also be linked down below, and you can ask me there with any questions. And let's see if it works now. So I will save this and then exit the Visual Builder. And as you can see, here is our table, and when I hover over it, you can see the tooltip here. So that's it. That's how you build a pricing table in Divi with a hoverable tooltip to any of its columns, any of its text here in the columns. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.